With so many degreasers on the market, let's talk about how to narrow it down to the best product for your needs. When we are talking about degreasing, we could be talking about removing light oils off of surfaces, a mix of oil and carbon deposits in motor repair, or the heaviest greases common in industrial applications. It's tempting to shop for the cheapest aerosol can or the strongest solvent, but I recommend considering a few other things first. There is no factor that impacts the price of a degreaser more than flammability. If you have good ventilation and don't have any ignition sources like sparks or flames, considering a flammable cleaner will open up more options at lower prices. If you have a welding operation or other hazards, you will need to narrow your search to non-flammable solvents. It's easy to tell the difference. Just look for the flammable GHS pictogram. If it isn't there, you have a safer product around sparks and flame. High flashpoint solvents are flammable, but the vapors will generally not ignite at temperatures below 140 degrees Fahrenheit. They can provide a greater safety margin, but still keep your costs down. Toxicity is your next concern. If you see this chronic toxicity GHS pictogram, take a look at the label and safety data sheet. Watch out for ingredients like N-propyl bromide or trichloroethylene, which have been shown to cause cancer and other problems. If you use these products, you will need extra PPE or a robust ventilation system to keep your exposure down. From there, you need to evaluate compatibility, evaporation rate, and cleaning performance. We'll cover that in part 2 of this video series. Contact us, and we can help you find the best degreaser for your requirements.